Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to organize tasks with Trello boards. So we're currently here on Trello, and what we can do is to add a list. A list is like a board where you can actually place some items. So we're going to create some lists. We're going to click on add a list, and then we'll call this to do. So this is the name of this list. Now this will contain all the things we need to do, and then on the second list in this Trello board, we're going to call it doing. Press and enter, and this will automatically want to create another list within this board. And then we're just going to say done. Then again, you're going to press enter. And of course, it's prompting you to create another list, but in this case, we'll just simply click away from it. So now we have 3 lists within this Trello board. Now for each list within this board, we're going to have to fill in some details. So starting with the to-do list, we're going to add some information. So we've been able to add some things to do here. We have project research, R&D, ads, web design. Of course, you could go ahead and keep adding more and pressing on enter and creating more. I'm going to archive this. So here we have 4. So let's say we're trying to stay organized, and let's say we've commenced our project research. So we're going to move the project research to doing, also move the R&D. And so at this stage, you can see some things are yet to be done and some things are being done. Already, this is how you can get to organize things on Trello boards in a basic way. However, if you want to take things a step further, you can click on project research, and this will open this list even further. You can put in your description, set deadlines, add other persons to this list. So once you click on add, you can see members, checklist, dates, etc. So you can click on add members, and you could go ahead and add more members or members that have been assigned to project research. So if you set a date, this will set the deadline date and remind everyone when the due date is up. Of course, when the project research is done, it can be moved to the done list, and there you have it. Bit by bit, you're organizing your tasks with Trello boards. So this is how to organize your task with Trello boards successfully.